That's the rest of it. Then I get a call saying that there's an emergency. Just gonna be eating some KFC. This is the state of my room right now with all of my stuff. Oh, actually, there's more. Hold up, that's not it. Neither is that. That's the rest of it. I'm gonna start unpacking and hopefully this goes well because it doesn't seem like everything's gonna fit. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I just realized how my head top looks right now. Yeah, I just asked for forgiveness because this is not okay. I thought it looked okay. I really thought it looked okay. Anyway, I'm gonna start unpacking, but before that, I'm gonna change my hair because this tentacle spider looking thing is not working for me.
I am so sorry. I don't even need to input this, but like I'm going to input it. Y'all, I just found out my camera can do this. My phone, not camera, my phone can do this. Videos are about to be different. I'm so sorry. I'm being so extra right now, but
So it's around 12:40 a.m. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to my bed because today I have to sing at a church with my friends and I need to make sure I'm well rested, my voice is well rested, and all of that jazz. This is what the room looks like right now. So it's a lot better because that floor space is cleared, but it's still packed like everywhere. And this is what the bathroom looks like. That's it for now. I'm gonna go to my bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow to do more of this. So right now it's Sunday, and yes, I did say I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow was yesterday, which was Saturday, but a lot happened yesterday, which was a blessing. So let me just tell the story. Went to church, then went to my dean's house for like a potluck and Bible study. Had the potluck, then we went into this great, like we had like deep conversations, then we went into this Bible game, then we did Bible study, and then after sunset we played this game called Splendor. If y'all have ever played Splendor or haven't played y'all need to play Splendor. It's fun. Well, at least to me. And then after came back and it was about like 12, so almost 1 in the morning. So yeah, but it was a fun time with everyone. Like we went there, learned a lot biblically, spiritually. I felt like I grew spiritually too, so I was happy for that as well. But anyway, right now where I'm at, I kind of changed things a little bit around my room. Don't know if you can see it, hopefully you did. So here's my plan of action. Start with that book section over there, then do some laundry, then try to see what I can tackle after that. We'll see how far I get and what I do. Yeah. Forgetting some of my stuff that I need to do laundry, and some liquid detergent or Tide Pods or pods or liquid, yeah, you know what I mean. It's Monday. Yes, it's a whole nother day. Yesterday I had work at 4, and before work I was doing stuff like laundry, talking to family and friends. So yes, that did take up my time, but right now I only have about 15 minutes before I have to go back to work. So I'm gonna film the sous section of what I need to do. So yeah, let's get on to it. Alright, so this is what the shoes section looks like right now. It's Tuesday. I just came from work and I looked at everything and I'm like, no, this all needs to be done today. I don't want it like this anymore. I need my room to be clean. I need my laundry to be done. I'm tired of this mess. And it's not even like, I just need to make time for it. Anyway, so this is what I'm trying to get finished for today. Just figuring out where to place all these things. Alright, so it's about 9 o'clock right now. Yes, I was planning on finishing my room today. I'm hoping that I still do. But I had to go back to the Burman Hall where I was staying in an apartment with my bestie and get some stuff. And then she's like, oh, hey, do you want some of this stuff? And I'm like, sure. So I didn't bring back my stuff, some of her stuff that she can't take with her because she's traveling home, and then her teddy bear. So now I'm left with my stuff, her stuff, and some stuff that will become mine, and still need to deal with my room. But we're gonna do that right now. Right now, like I'm actually gonna do it this time. I promise. Yeah. For the noise, it's my kettle because I want some tea. But after doing all this, I just remembered I have more food. You know what? I am grateful that I do have more food, but I don't know where it's gonna go. But I'm gonna figure that out. So it's 12:18 and I figured it out for the most part. So this is what it looks like right now. It looks like a mess, but you know what? It's something. So it's gonna be in there for the food, and under there and that one for some of the other food related type things, like things you'd cook with, like oil or baking powder or whatever else, you know. So now I'm gonna try to fit my dishes inside these 2 drawers. May have to stretch over, and then those as well. So I have my dishes in those top 2 drawers, and I'm about to do these things over here and move them where they need to be moved as much as possible. This here is about to look different. Okay, maybe not the bed, but like this. I definitely have work
today, not tomorrow. Today. This is where my room is at right now, so it's a lot better. I'll do that tomorrow or finish it up tomorrow, you know. And yeah, so good night. I'm just gonna update you guys on what's been going on and why my room's not fully completed yet. So first, let's just start with the fact that a lot of the times I would have stuff to do, or my phone would need to charge, or I'm spending time with like family or friend, or like on the phone with them because, you know, that's important to me, or I'm having time to myself. And yes, I can do it while I'm having time to myself, but the things I was doing, like for example, me watching a show, I personally like give it my full attention. So that's how I am. So yes, it could have been done at those times, but I also needed a break from the day. So, because yes, life can be life, you know? Tuesday, 1 a.m. Technically that would be Wednesday, but we're counting that as Tuesday because I didn't go to sleep yet. I said that I would finish the rest of my room in the morning. Did not do that. Mind you, we're on Wednesday now. So Wednesday, I wake up and I have work. So I'm like, all right, I don't have time to do this. I just gotta get ready and then go to work. So I got ready, went to work. Then after work, I met with my advisor about graduating with a 3.5 or higher GPA because that's what I'm going for. It's a goal I set for myself because when I was in secondary, elementary, middle school, that whole shebang below post-secondary, I didn't do well in school. So I want to prove to myself that I can do well in school. Then after that, I helped one of the RAs move in so that they can get situated and all that. Then after that, I was about to clean my room, but then I think I called a friend or they called me, and then I ended up just going over to their house and spending time with them because my best friend's leaving and she was there as well along with 2 other friends, and I'm like, okay, it's best that I spend as much time as I can with her before she leaves. Then after, I came back home late, so that was another thing. I came back around like 12:30 p.m. mind you, or no, 12:30 a.m. sorry, which means it's Thursday now. Now for Thursday during the day, I also had work. Then after work, I decided to go to this bike shop to figure out a quote for how much it would be to fix a bike that I'm borrowing because the tire just popped. Then after that, I got ready because we went to go out with my bestie as a last hurrah. So a group of friends and I went out, and then we came back because bestie had work, and then she was at work and we were just spending time with her, and I went to bed late again. So on Friday for work, we finished up some things that just need to be finished up around the dorms, and then as a group we went bowling. Then after bowling, we went shopping for the dorm and for the RA retreat. Then after I came back, I'm like, okay, let me get the bike fixed. So I went to go in to get the bike fixed. And then I came back to the dorm, ready to do my room. Then I get a call saying that there's an emergency, and because I'm the RA on duty, I had to help out with said emergency. Then after that, it was almost time for room check, so before that, I spent a little bit of time with friends, and then I went to do room check, and then I came back, and then I was spending time with my friends until like 6 a.m. in the morning. Actually, it was about like 5 something that I spent time with them up until, and then I went to my room and did a little bit of cleaning here and there because I'm like, I need my room clean, but I'm like, I need to film, so it was just like a whole back and forth throughout the entire week of me like, okay, let me film, but then I had stuff to do, or I wanted to sleep, or like not wanted, I needed to sleep. Then because I went to bed at around 6, I woke up at around 1 p.m. the next day, which is Saturday, or not even the next day because it was Saturday 6 a.m. that I was up. So Saturday 1 p.m. I woke up. Then I spoke to some friends, and then I helped out with another emergency. Then after that, I did my friend's hair, and then I had to go and do a check, so I went to do a check, and then I finished up her hair. Now Sunday, I woke up about 10:30 a.m. and then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go and clean my room. But because my friend was also here, I kind of had to like think about, okay, now I have to work around her and like figure out how I'm gonna film this video and film doing my room. So I'm like, all right, I'll just ask her to just step out for a bit and then I'll finish filming this and then everything will be fine. But then that didn't happen because I ended up talking to a friend again. And then I went downstairs to help out with the same emergency. By the way, all the emergencies are the same. So after helping out with the same emergency, I'm like, okay, let me cook something because I'm hungry and I need breakfast. So right now, I'm boiling some eggs for me and my friend so that we can eat. And right now, this is where we're at. I'm filming because I need to get it done. I want to get it done. So this is the state of my room. Hopefully you saw everything. If you didn't, sorry, but like I need to get things done.